All right.
See,
What is this?
tuna with rice and tomato sauce with some spice and rice meal.
With
No, what rice?
I just had a really good idea, my friend.
Good idea.
Let me lay this one on you. I travel, yeah, all the time. I don't live anywhere like you. I don't have a home. Very hard for me to decide what to cook, yeah, but I like helping. And I don't mind buying dinner when it's cooked. You see? So if I say to people, let me pay for the fucking food, you just decide what the fuck to cook.
Nice.
Keep it under 20. Easy. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then maybe we have leftovers. I don't know, sometimes. Yeah. And then I video it. Yeah? Throw it on YouTube. What do you think?
Yeah, it's true.
Put the food on YouTube. Backpackers cooking.
I don't know. It's not so special food. Anybody can do that.
No, I can't do it. Can't do it. Can't fucking do it. This guy can't do it. Can't. I've never successfully made a pot of rice. Now, my brother may comment below and confirm that I can't make a pot of fucking rice. I don't know. It's like, yeah. See?
I need to filter this.
You want me to turn this off? Yeah? Yeah. Off? This hostel has two ovens. Two ovens. Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Sorry.
No worries. No. It's shit, but it's real.
It smells really good.
He put the garlic pieces that I cut off the garlic, the little end nubs. He put it in the pan and then added the rice to it because it'll just get kind of mashed up and squished in with the rice. Brilliant, fucking brilliant. Smart man, resourceful. Yeah. Would you mind being on YouTube?
Yeah, why not?
Why not? Yeah, okay. There he is. Yeah, it's about the food though. It's about the food.
It's kind of Cuban different.
So is this a little? No, wait. Boiled for I don't know how long. Apologies for not starting the video earlier, but I didn't have the idea until I just started this video. So we'll see where this one goes. I love to eat. I love to eat good food. I love to eat homemade food. I love to help make food. I just can't ever fucking figure out what to cook. So, started a little YouTube channel. Mm. 4 months of traveling, 20 hostels, yeah?
20 hostels?
20 hostels and 4 or 5 Airbnbs.
Wow.
This is the best kitchen of all of them.
Come on.
Where have you been better than this kitchen?
Right.
Oh, fuck me. Oh. Brilliant.
Okay, it's already. I got to smoke soldiering outside.
All right, I'm going to put you guys on pause and we'll see what we can plate up.
And the day what to do here?
That, my friends, is an empty bowl. Happy tummy.
Kayaking. Oh, nice, in the beach.
And a cup of fucking tea
Nice.
brought to me by a fucking Englishman.
No, it's like relaxing, like you can do that for a couple of hours, like feels good. Exercise.
Good night.
You know we saw me on plane.
Good night, my friends.
What?
You know we saw